Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deeper into our MetaTrader 5 platform tutorial series. Last time we covered the key option tabs, and today we are going to explore a few more tabs that you will find incredibly useful. After that, we will jump into trade operations. So let's get started and keep things rolling. The next tab we are going to talk about is OpenCL. Modern video cards contain hundreds of small specialized processors which can simultaneously perform simple mathematical operations on incoming data threads. The OpenCL language organizes parallel computations and thus enables much faster operations for certain tasks when creating trading robots. In particular, such acceleration can be useful when developing applications based on neural networks. MQ5 provides native functions for accessing the OpenCL API, and thus you can easily utilize API capabilities in your trading applications. In platform settings, you can explicitly specify which devices will be used for calculations. Using the settings, you can also enable and disable the use of OpenCL when working in the local platform, in the strategy tester, or when executing computational tasks received from the MQ5 cloud network. The following information is displayed for each device. First, supported OpenCL version. Second, available memory. Third, support for the double typing calculations. And fourth, performance rating. Now let's talk about the Events tab. Alerts of system events like server connection, disconnection, or email notification can be set up here. It is a very convenient tool informing about changes in the platform status. To start setting up alerts, check the Allow option. All events are represented in the form of a table containing their names and default audio files that are executed when the event occurs. The following types of events are available. First, connect. Alerts of a successful connection to a server. Disconnect. Alert of server connection loss. Email notify. Email received. Time out. A certain time range is given for performing trade operations. If this range has been exceeded for some reason, the operation will not be performed and the alert will trigger. OK. Alert of a successful execution of a trade operation. News. Alert of a received newsletter. Expert advisor. Alert of a trade operation performed by an expert advisor. Alert. The alert function executed by an expert advisor. Recoup. Alert of a price changed or recouped at the attempt to perform a trade operation. Trailing stop. Alert of trailing stop order triggering. And testing finished. Alert of the end of testing optimization. To disable any of the alerts, click on its icon or double click on its name. After that, the icon will look like this. To activate an alert, repeat the same operation. To change a file plate when the event occurs, double click on its name or select it and press enter. Then select choose other from the drop down list and specify the necessary file. Next tab is notifications. The trading platform supports push notifications. Push notifications are short text messages which can be sent to mobile devices from the desktop platform and from various MQ5 community services. Unlike SMS, push notifications are sent over the internet and thus they do not depend on mobile carriers. They can be delivered to different regions without any fees. The trader only needs to install a mobile platform for iOS or Android. Notifications are delivered via the mobile platform. Now, the next tab we are going to talk about is community because email, FTP, and signals are not as important as others, so we maybe cover them in another video. The trading platform is tightly integrated with MQL5 community. a community of MQ5 developers. The MQ5 community provides unique services for traders and developers. The market. The platform allows purchasing any ready-made application for the MQ5 application store website. If you don't know how to purchase a product from MQ5, you can see the above video. Before purchasing, you can download a trial version and test it in the strategy tester. Next is signals. Subscribe to the trading signals of professional traders and receive them straight in your platform. Next, VPS. Rent a virtual platform for 24/7 operation of copied signals and trading robots. A VPS can be rented directly from the platform and it does not require any additional setup on your side. Furthermore, the location of virtual servers ensures minimum delay in the execution of trading operations on the broker's server. Codebase. Download any code published in the codebase on MQ5 community website. The code is automatically placed in the correct directory and compiled. You only need to run the application from the navigator window. Articles. The extensive library of MQ4 MQ5 programming articles will help you learn how to create trading robots and technical indicators. Enter your account details and get access to all unique services of MQ5 community. Login and password. That's it for today's MQ5 tutorial. I hope this lesson helped you understand how to work more efficiently inside MetaTrader 5. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next part of this series. And remember, at TradeX, we build smart tools for smart traders. See you in the next tutorial.